Forever world, my Forever family, welcome to March Forever Matters. My name is Oni Mamadiam Dumela, your gorgeous country sales manager from Forever Southern Africa. And can you guys believe it? I am standing right outside of our brand new head office in Johannesburg. We have recently moved offices from Cape Town to Johannesburg, and our FBOs, they love it here. Can you believe it that we are already 3 months into 2025? And for the rest of 2025, we are going to be coming to you from different Forever country offices across the world. Forever Matters is all about our FBOs, and we love hearing our incredible growth stories from our FBOs. And I am here with our brand new story manager, Ntwakedi Confidence Dikgomo, who is going to be sharing her growth story. And I can't wait for her to share it with you.
Hello, hi Forever World. My name is Ntwakedi Confidence Dikgomo, all the way from South Africa. I am a story manager, Eagle manager, and Forever to Thrive Level 3 qualifier. The reason why I joined the business is because I saw the opportunity that I will manage my own working hours and spend more time with my son. I made this amazing business on TikTok, and that's where I'm doing my business. I learned how to sell the products on TikTok, and I was okay with it until I moved out of my comfort zone and shared the opportunity. Be visible on social media. Tell your story. No matter how great or bad it is, someone can connect with you from hearing your story, and their life can change for better. Tell your story.
Ke a leboga. Thank you so much, Confidence, for sharing your incredible story with us. So we are here at the Johannesburg Product Center, where FBOs from all over South Africa come and purchase their products. And this is one of the 4 product centers that we are managing in the Forever Southern Africa. And we have just recently moved premises. And as you can see, we are settling in, but that is not stopping us from putting our FBOs first and serving them with excellence and helping them to fuel their momentum and maximizing their growth. Kinako, it is time to recognize our brand new gym managers.
And now it's time for our brand new Sapphire managers. Congratulations to Saeed Abazneshad, Mustafa Karapinar, Tazukasa Kawai. And next up, it's our brand new Diamond Sapphire managers, Dia Hussein Abed. And now we have 2 brand new Diamond managers to recognize. Congratulations to Dana Silvosa and Ziru Lu Yin.
Thank you, Nick. Congratulations to all the brand new gem managers. It's a 4-4-4-4. Yes! What an achievement. Now, let's check in with Sierra for more updates with the Rexmon Forever Giving Foundation.
2025 is a special year for us here at the Rexmon Forever Giving Foundation because we are celebrating 15 years of making a difference. To help us mark this special occasion, we want to share 15 stories of impact with you. Take a look. In 2010, Forever Giving celebrated its first birthday by making a life-changing impact. At the time, malaria was one of the leading causes of death for children in Africa, yet in Uganda, only 1 in 10 children slept under a protective net. At the 2010 Super Rally in Denver, the Forever community took action, raising $79,000 to provide life-saving mosquito nets. With that support, Gary Shreve led a team of Forever business owners, volunteers, and local health authorities into the heart of Kampala, placing 7,000 insecticide-treated nets into the hands of expecting mothers and young children. For those families, it wasn't just a net, it was a chance for a brighter and healthier future for their children.
Thank you, Sierra. You are now joining me in our Forever Southern Africa growth room. And this is where we are having our monthly managers meeting and various Forever business presentations. Did you guys know that when we refer to Forever Southern Africa, we are not just referring to South Africa only, but 7 different African countries that we manage. And this includes Botswana, Namibia, Mozambique, Lesotho, Eswatini, Zimbabwe, and now Angola. And our vision is to become a sustainably thriving forever country through compassion and collaboration, achieving a top 5 global presence by empowering our FBOs, loving our FBOs, and valuing our FBOs. And now let's take a look at the top 10s for February. Congratulations to everyone on the top 10 list for February. What an awesome achievement. We are now in our brand new Alu Lounge, a relaxed, inviting space to enjoy our Alu drinks. And here I have a few of my Forever products, and they have so many benefits for your health. One of my favorite products that I cannot go without is the Forever Focus. Now let's go to Holly, who will highlight some of the Forever Focus benefits and usage.
Hello, Forever family. Have you ever started your day with 5 tasks to complete, and then by the time you get to the 4th task, you've opened up 10 more tasks? Or you've gotten distracted on your phone? Or have you ever had those moments where you walk into a room and you actually forget while you're there? Well, never fear. We have a product for that, and it's called Forever Focus. 4 capsules every day in a scientifically advanced formulation, which contains a branded ingredient called cognizant. This is only acetylcholine, which is naturally produced in your brain to support that powerful neural pathway, as well as energy and focus. It's a powerful product. Take it every morning, 4 capsules on an empty stomach to help you complete your tasks.
Thank you, Holly. We always love learning the science behind our products. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Much Forever Matters here in Forever Southern Africa. Next month, we will be passing over Forever Matters across the globe. And until then, stay focused on what matters the most to you. And we are one team, one dream, one goal, and one forever. Kinako, it is time for your growth. Let's grow together. It's a